dolls, welcome back to my channel or whatever. It may look like I don't got no shirt on throughout this video, but I do. It's like a little tube top or whatever. I had just posted a wig review on my channel. I think it's the Supernova wig review. Yeah, Supernova, and my face was beaten. I did not record this look, and some of y'all really want to know how I did this beat. So I'm gonna go ahead and redo that beat again. It's basically a really easy ass beat. Like, it's not much to this tutorial, but it's like so fucking cute, and I'm just like, why didn't I record this look? My camera definitely looks very like white. Like, my concealer looks super white. I don't know if it's just me right now that I'm looking at it, because sometimes it can look weird, like me looking at the top screen or what, but I don't know what to do. Like, I turned that, I don't know what to do. Hold on, that look a little bit more better. Okay, whatever. So like I said, I'm gonna do the same look that I did in that video. Hopefully I can get it the same way. Like, hopefully I can, I remember the colors that I use on my eye, but hopefully I can do it the same way as I did it before, or something at least close to similar as I did it. So I'm just setting my lid with the Maybelline setting powder, loose setting powder, and this one is in medium deep 30. Period. I don't even know what palette I used for this eye look, but it was basically like a pretty like orange, it's like almost like a, it's not, I don't want to say a sunset eye because I definitely didn't do it sunsetishly, but it gave me like this very like, I don't know, it was just really pretty. But I'm gonna try to finesse my way into doing that same look. I don't even know what palette I used that day. It probably was the Nubian 2 palette or the Jacklyn Hill palette. I'm gonna start off with the Jacklyn Hill palette. I'm gonna use that right there as my transition shade. I'm gonna go in with the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm taking the color Morocco. This pretty orange shade right here, I'm taking that color, and I'm taking it right on top of this shade here. I'm gonna put this neutral shade right here on my lid. I want to go a little deeper in my crease right here, just to make it a little bit, not darker, but deeper. This shade right here. And I'm just going to take that like right up in here, in this area. And I'm taking that transition shade, and I'm going to go back in with that transition shade and just blend it out. If you watched my last makeup tutorial, you'll know that this is like my routine I've been doing lately. I take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser Concealer, and I place it under my eye first, right here, because this is where I'm like a little bit more dark in this area for some reason. And then I just blend this out first. And then after that, I'm going to put my foundation on top of this. This just helps for a nice coverage. I really don't need much coverage. It's not even about what I need, you know, like things like that. But I just like a real full on thick coverage. That's just me personally. I don't know why. I just feel like my face look even more like, bitch, like, ooh, like not. I don't look caked on. I just look like very like filtered. So I look a little ashy right now, of course. That's okay. I'm about to go in with my Maybelline Matte Poorless foundation. This is in Cappuccino 340. I should have used my Anastasia tonight. I don't know why. I should have used my Big Dog foundation, which is the Anastasia foundation, the luminous foundation. I got this in 470C. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on top of it, just a little bit, y'all, just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and press in and sweep, and then after that I'm going to set the remaining of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poorless, and I have this in the color Coconut 355. Going to take a little bit of this powderness away. I don't know if I'm going to upload this video because it's making me look very like super light and pale for some reason. I don't know what's going on with the camera. And it's definitely not me because I look different in the mirror. Okay, I look different in the mirror than I do on my camera, and it's really bothering me. Like, it's really making me mad. Okay, I'm gonna spray my Morphe Mist to take away the powder, and then NYX Matte Finish Spray. I'm taking the Warrior palette, and I'm taking this pretty golden shade in here, this yellow gold, and I'm just going to take that on my brow bone, my nose, and my chin. And oh, I forgot in my tear duct. I done got makeup on my shirt, but thank God I'm not wearing this tonight because I would have been really pissed. Y'all don't do makeup with the outfit that you're wearing for the day because it's over with. Makeup is fucking mess. Is really a mess. Okay, it's just really a freaking mess. This is basically, yeah, the look. And if I don't like the way this video look, then this is not gonna be posted. But if y'all listen to me, this video is posted, of course. But I don't know how that's gonna look because in this lens, I'm not feeling the look. I'm not feeling the lightning. But things can look a little different when I actually upload the clips to my laptop. So this is basically it. I love these eyes. I love an orange eye. I love orange, browns, burgundies, like golden colors. Like, I really love these type of colors. Like, this is like a go for me. If you really know me, I don't really like colorful eyeshadows. Like, I just fuck around and do it because, like, I be trying to just be creative on my channel, but I really don't like it. I gotta have a certain mood. Like, it's not really all the time where I be like, oh, I want to do some purple, I want to do some green, I want to do some, you know what I'm saying? So y'all get what I'm saying. But I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. Tell me down below about anything that I did in this video, and I'll get back to you. I love you, baby dolls, so much. Tell me if the lighting looks okay to y'all or what's going on, because I like how brown I look in the mirror, and in this camera I'm looking real light and pale, so I'm not looking like my true color. Whatever. Anyway, I love y'all so much, and I'll see you, baby dolls, in my next video. If this is your first time watching, subscribe so you can be a part of the baby doll gang. You know what I'm saying? Like, once you're subscribed, you became one of my baby dolls. And like this video, comment, don't forget. Love you. Mwah.